This is the Btalk 2 in its ambient, always-on mode. When you come out of that, you can go into brilliant smartwatch watch faces, digital or analog. Go right back into it if you want to. AMOLED screen makes it easy to do that for low power usage. You have all kinds of controls. You got a do not display that you can turn on. You've got your overall brightness. It's on full, which is great. Goes way down if you want to. We're keeping it up pretty good for this review. Here's your overall settings. You can change menu style and all kinds of controls with the display, battery, vibration, languages. You can even set a password for this one, and in the system you can shut it down, reset it, or completely restore it if you want to. This is where you can do Bluetooth calling, and when you have that activated, it tethers to your phone for the purpose of either streaming music to your watch or making Bluetooth calls. Here, you have all kinds of different information, calling, temperature in your area, most recent activities that you've been touching on, of course, and date and time. Notifications sent from your phone if you have any, your step count information, current heart rate information. This, when it's turned on, gives you all your telephone activity, last night's sleep time, weather in your area, and you can add a couple of more things if you'd like to as well. Tap the bottom button, you get all of the different activities you can do, which include swimming. Yep, it's a waterproof Bluetooth calling smartwatch. You have additional lots and lots of different activities available. And these, of course, when you do them, will tether over to the app on your phone that you can take advantage of. Press here, you get all the different activities, including alarm clock and timer and stopwatch, as well as the weather, blood oxygen, blood pressure, heart rate. All of those are there here. And, of course, the telephone capabilities. It's a really thin, lightweight, easy-to-operate smartwatch with an AMOLED screen and always on display. Highly recommend it. It's the Btalk 2. Check it out.